Baby, do it.
Bruh.
It's like bringing me back to my nostalgia, my obsession. Like, yeah, that sounds fun. Can you feel it? Yeah, I need to burp really bad. Do it. Do it.
Told him that I burped, he would not believe you. Because she is a princess. And princesses don't burp. I mean, really. If a tree falls in the forest, did anybody hear? The kitchen, to maybe the couch, and maybe the bedroom later. Before I met Jay. Okay, let's go. Sorry, excuse me. Night two. Completely different looks. Oh my god!
Excellent. Did you get that?
I am, yes, I'm keeping that.
Ready? Rate my burp. That was weak. It felt bigger. So, shoulders, superset with shoulders, poop.
I feel like that is a very obvious statement. Sorry. I'm not sorry. You're always very organized and know what's... Whew. Oh, that hit. Whoa! That was a kick to it.
Was that the kick? They're all.
Put it in the middle. But now. So. I don't. The cage. Is and women. Every, like get.
You guys should definitely do that.
I'm back.
He's...
Gotta punch it in.
You know what's a waste.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Open it. Slow. 2, 1. Oh, please. Excuse me. Flowers that in 1795. Do you think?
Fairlife chocolate milk. My
You know, spent it in 2 days. That's the cringiest thing.
Hello.
Suspense is killing me.
I'm gonna LaCroix.
Did you do that, Ryan?
Oh. So.
Stop this. So, fuck you. Hello.
I don't know.
Oh.
And I was like, I want to get my headphones on my backpack. And of course, it's like when the bell rings for like everyone to leave. I like reach in my back.
Oh, sorry.
Wait, hold on. I gotta sneeze. I gotta burp. Okay. 1, 2.
Period.
How do you feel being 21?
Oh yeah.
Maddie!
I don't know where you're gonna put this in our place.
Give purple vibes.
Colors with Adam and Emily.
You're disgusting.
I'm sad. Anyway, on my side. Have you been?
Oh my god. So I opened.
Oh! I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm.
Oh no, girl. Oh, look, you're not big.
Fire that popped it, which was not me. And then the second time, you know how there's like a curved curve? It's making my hair look green. I keep dropping this lid. This is an interesting one. What?
Oh, that was cute. I liked it. Okay. All right. Cool. On that note.
But at the end of the day, like that.
Video today.
And so my disgusting habit was that like I would try to like
Cute. I liked it. Okay. All right. Cool.